Hello, my name is Tendai and welcome to my YouTube channel where I have many amazing tips about social media, interviews, bachata, finance and so much more to take your knowledge to the next level. I always believe that the more knowledge we have, it helps you to make better informed decisions. So 2020 has been a very different year. We've learned many things, that things can be up here 1 minute and then things can be down here the next second. So that would also affect your income too. And it's always good, especially working online. The whole idea of working online, according to me, is since things change quickly, the world is always changing. So you want to find a way to diversify your income, because what might be popular today might not be popular tomorrow. And we've experienced that many times before. So one good way that it really helps you with your passive income is affiliate marketing. So this is something that people have been doing many times, and it's never too late to get into the game of affiliate marketing, because it's something that continues to grow every day, and a lot of people have many benefits from this. So the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? So some people, you might have heard the word influencer before, but essentially what happens with affiliate marketing, so I'll go back a step back where it comes from. So back in the day, ideally if you have a product here, you have to try to get people to see it outside your social circle. So part of that's where advertising and marketing comes into play. So like back in the day, you could only do that either through the newspaper or through TV. There was very limited media for people to send out their information. So I was there coming into the late 2000s when Google started, and with social media really exploding now. So essentially everyone is a way to broadcast their message, be it through social media. Just have this ability to broadcast a message to a wider audience. So this was we've seen the change in advertising there. So before there was limited ways for people to spread their information, but now you have beat TV, be it social media, be it any form of medium, and be even with people too. But then the challenge that is produced, especially within the last 5 years. So there's now a bit of information overload. So when I say information overload, what that means, like, be it you go on Facebook, be it you go on Instagram, I would say maybe every 3 or 4 posts, someone's trying to sell you something. So people now have that mentality to say it's just another ad. There's information overload there. So where affiliate marketing now comes into play. So now there's better chance that you might pay attention to if it's something that is coming from your friend, or if it's coming from someone that you trust. So that's where the word affiliate comes from. It just means as you as an individual, you are affiliating to a product and you are promoting their product through the contacts that where people trust you, or through your own personal contacts. So that's where affiliate marketing comes from. You're just pairing up someone to broadcast or to share a product with other people. So it all comes down to numbers. So the more people that see this product, there is higher chances of them eventually buying through that product. So what most people would do, they would give you an affiliate link. So for myself, okay, I'll get into that part later on, but the whole idea is you get an affiliate link that you would use. So if people have that trust, or if people understand the way you're trying to sell the product, or if people value your opinion, you'd be able to influence their buying trends, and for your hard work in return, you'll be paid a commission based on that. So I've touched on affiliate marketing, what it means, and where it comes from. So the benefits to do this, there are many. So this is another way for you to make passive income without really investing much time or much capital to it, because from today, after seeing this video, you could actually get started with affiliate marketing without having to invest anything. So that's one big plus there. And two, the more you do this, like anything you do, the more you do it, the better you get at it. The better you get an understanding of what affiliate marketing is. And it's another way to make passive income. So like we've learned in 2020, things can come from here to down here the next day. So if the more passive income you have, it means that could be your vacation, it could pay for your hobbies. Bills come every day too, so if you have different forms coming in, you'll be able to take care of your bills. So the next point that I'm going to move to So this is now the next. So now we know what is affiliate marketing, how it came into play, and some of the benefits. So the next question is, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? So in my opinion, there is three things you need to succeed through affiliate marketing. So the first thing, you need an audience, because you're trying to tell people about a product. So this audience there has to be a fit between the audience and the product that you're trying to sell. And then the second thing is, it's okay to have a product, but you need an audience that trusts you. So building an audience and building the trust, there's many strategies that you can do when it comes to this. And ideally you want to be doing something that you enjoy. So the benefit that really comes there is, so I give myself my example. So dancing bachata is what I really love to do. I really understand the subject a lot. I've invested a lot of time in learning the subject. So this past summer I did like a show where I was talking about bachata. We're doing interviews. So by doing this show, I'm already starting to get like build an audience with people who were interested in the dance. So because I have this audience that is interested in bachata, so people do events, people do festivals pre-pandemic, and hopefully after the pandemic the festivals will start again. People sell dance costumes, people sell attire. So myself, I could make a deal with these people to say, you're selling your dance outfits. I have an audience that's interested in dance. So I asked to get a promo code that I would use as an affiliate link myself. And then through doing this show, I got to learn about production, cameras, video editing software. So because I have knowledge and I can gain a bit of authority in those things where I understand what I'm talking about. So I could get an affiliate link, be it for the camera that I'm using or be it for this mic that I'm using here. So this is a Boya M1 microphone. So I have a link in the description that you can get through Amazon. So the more people see this video, the more people use the link to see how the mic works, I would get a commission based on that. So that's the whole idea behind affiliate marketing. But one thing that gets missed sometimes, affiliate marketing doesn't necessarily need to be done online. Because online there's also a lot of competition, there's information overload. So you could actually sign up to the product that provides a service that might be trying to grow in your community. So essentially by being associated with that product, you're an affiliate for that product. So essentially what they would get you to do, by taking advantage of your personal contacts, the people that trust you, you may be able to get those people to pay a bit more attention to their product. And by paying more attention to their product, if someone is interested, and because you refer them to the product, you get paid commission for doing that. So there's also like services like Fiverr. Fiverr is like a marketplace for professional services. I've used Fiverr many times before, and it's a really nice place, be it video editing, image editing, or be it you want to get logos done there. So there's also a Fiverr affiliate where they give you an affiliate links. So the way their links might work might be different. So they might have a link for you to just bring people to their platform and you get paid a commission for that. Or you might have links. So let's say I'm talking about a video editing video, and I get a link to some of the top people who are doing video editing there, or to a course. That's the whole idea behind affiliate marketing there. So I'll do another video to also get into, there are many layers to this. So in the other video I'll really talk about the different options that you have. But just to recap before I let you go, so affiliate marketing is another way for you to start earning passive income today. The benefits are many. Gives you the freedom to earn money whilst you're not doing it. You don't have to invest a lot of time, and everyone knows something better than the next person. So because you know that thing, you've invested the time, you sort of have authority in that subject. So that gives you the flexibility to partner with services or people that provide something similar to what you do, and you get paid through that process. And then affiliate marketing doesn't always have to be online. So you can even get a product that you can physically market to other people. There's many options, many layers to this, and I'll do another video I'll do another video to explain how you can get started and to get into the details. But the whole big thing, work on building an audience. And ideally you want to be consistent when you're building an audience. Talk about things that you understand and that bring value to people. So the second that people start seeing that value, they're going to start trusting you. And those are the two secrets behind affiliating marketing: getting an audience and getting an audience that trusts you. And once you have those two things, you start partnering, be it with products that you can either promote through your online platform. So it could be through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or it could be in person. It doesn't need to be online, but it's just another way for you to start using your knowledge to make money, because you have invested a lot of time in learning a lot of things and things that you enjoy, so you might as well get paid as part of the process. And thanks once again for investing your time in following some of my videos. I have many other things that you can learn from, beat dancing, video editing, and so much more. Just let me in the comments some of the ways that you have used affiliate marketing in the past, and we can win together. Be sure to also check out some of the links that I have in the description to the camera that I use for this video, my beloved microphone here. It always works good for recording indoors, and the lights that I use. And till next time.